going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo if you guys are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I am so glad you guys are back for another video. We are continuing on with the back to school series. I don't even know what video this is now. If you have not hit that subscribe button, go ahead, do it. Turn on the notifications, the whole 9 yards, because you're not gonna want to miss any more videos. You guys can also follow along on social media. We will be hosting tons of giveaways this season, and I'd love to have you guys be a part of it. I don't know why I get a lot of you requested a first day of school hacks video, or like how to survive your first day of school. And so I'm out of school, so I feel like I have decent enough advice for you guys. This could be for middle or high school, college, whatever. It really comes down to the pre-work, like the couple of weeks before school and the night before school. It's not the actual day. So we're gonna talk about some things that you guys can do to make sure that you have a smooth sailing first day, first week, and it gets you off on the right foot for this new semester. So let's get started. All right, so a week before school starts, probably sooner, might not be a bad idea. I know we're running out of time here, so we might need to start this now, but we want to have good routines getting back into school. Summertime, you know, you're kind of like free for all unless you have a job or you stay on a really tight schedule. A lot of us kind of do whatever. So start going to bed at a specific time, you know, start having those good habits again. You want to get in the routine of like getting up, getting ready. I even recommend trying out the makeup that you want to wear or doing a hairstyle that you want to wear for the first day of school, just so that you're not coming into like any troubles on that actual day. I remember when I was in middle school, right when I started wearing makeup, I would do looks the day of because I'd get an idea and then it would turn out horrible and I didn't like the way that it looked, or it was like too much, and I just remember that was like such an awkward time in my life. So definitely try out your looks before the actual first day of school. Some pretty simple stuff would just be to make sure that all of your summer reading is done, paperwork is turned in, get all of your school supplies and have it packed up, organized, ready to go. If you're starting a new school, high school, college, any school, I recommend going to campus, meeting some teachers, maybe meet some new people who are in the same boat as you, because that way on the first day it's like, oh hey, you're new too. I know a lot of schools have orientation, so that is a great time to do that, but it's also a great time to get a head start at figuring out where your classes are, because most of the time you have access to your schedule beforehand, so you can go figure out where your classes are, figure out how to not be late for school or a class, and that way you just feel more prepared. Because the first day of high school for me, I remember not knowing where to go. It was like I was looking at my schedule all the time, trying to match the numbers to the rooms, and it was like I was late and then people were mad because we were late. I also recommend making sure that your desk space is set up for school ahead of time. Wherever you're going to do your work and study is a place for you, and you get that going during the summertime because you need a place that is going to be relaxing and creative. I don't recommend like doing your homework at the kitchen table or on your bed or anything like that. I mean, the kitchen table is fine if it's going to be a peaceful and quiet enough space for you, but I don't recommend like a couch or a bed or anything like that. You need to be able to stay alert, but also have a space that's for you and that matches you. And I always had a desk in high school, and it was really just like a great spot for me to always do my work. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys a couple DIY desk videos as well as a dorm room decor video, so I'm super excited for those, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out. The night before school starts, make sure all of your clothes are laid out and ready to go. I recommend packing your lunch the first day, especially if it's like new school environment, because the lunch situation can be super intimidating, and then if you don't know anyone, you have that awkward, like you get your lunch, then you're looking out at the cafeteria and it's like, if you have a friend that you know, maybe the night before you guys can plan to pack lunch together, so that way you guys can go to lunch together, get your seat, get comfortable, and just enjoy your lunch. Which brings me to another good point. Make sure you start communicating with your friends if you've gone MIA for the summer. Get back into that, like contact some people. That way when you get to school, it's like, oh hey. I always went away for summer. I went back down to the beach with my grandparents, so I didn't really like talk to a lot of my friends during the summer, and I went to a small high school anyway, so it didn't really matter, but like I would definitely re-engage with your friends if you've kind of been MIA for the summer. I also recommend making a vision board for how you want the school year to go. If you're in high school, maybe you want to be on a specific team or in a club, or you know, you want to have a specific prom dress, whatever it is, make a vision board of like how you see the year. You can just kind of speak it into existence and work towards those goals. And I think it's just a good way to be excited about school and not just feel like it's something that you have to do, but there's actual goals there and there's something to look forward to. Now, during the first day, make sure you guys keep those syllabuses that they hand out. If they have to get signed, make sure they get signed. If you need to reread them 3 times to make sure you have everything right, do that, because one of the things that I made the mistake of was I wouldn't read the full syllabus, and some teachers have different protocols for things. Some teachers do allow grace periods for turning in homework. work and others don't. You wanna make sure that you know all the rules for your specific classes. And what you can do is go through your planner. I'm gonna be sharing with you a whole video all about how to stay organized as a student. A lot of schools post their curriculum or their like exams, calendars online. So you can actually go through your whole semester, your whole year, and make annotations for when things are gonna be due, when you have no school, when you have exams, all of that. And that way you kind of know when to expect tests and things because you can be ahead of the game. So like I said, it's really just that mindset that you have before school even starts to get you prepped for the first day. It's about creating those habits again, getting in the right mindset, being excited for school, and doing that prep work. So that way when you show up on the first day, it's a relaxing day. Maybe the night before, it's a time for you to just kind of take a bath, chill, journal, do something fun and creative. It's not a time that you want to spend stressing out. Maybe you're worried that it's a new school and making friends. This is why I think it'd be so great for you to do a vision board to really just see how you want the year to plan out, how you want to kind of like attack the situation and make it a really great year. So if you guys liked this video, I'd really love it if you gave it a thumbs up because I thought that this was kind of a fun one to film. It was definitely a little bit different, not your normal first day hack kind of video. Definitely has more to do with just the mindset going into it. But if you guys liked it, thumbs up means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along on social media and stay tuned for the next back to school video. But with that, I hope you guys are doing well and I will see you in the next video.